Today we replaced the radio antenna on the 2017 Jeep Cherokee. If your radio antenna looks like this after coming out of the car wash, the Jeep rubber just rotted from the sun and just came off. But no worries, the auto industry has a new one for you. And there's no tools needed and no need to replace the whole assembly bolted to the roof. You just need a new whip. I'll show it after I unscrew this old one. This is the new one, and I'll put a link in the description for more details, and you can also order one. It's about a ½ inch shorter than the old one, but the thread is the same. Screw it in, and get a good grip to hand tighten it. As you can see, the rubber just fell apart on this old one. And that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you along the way. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. See the description for links of tools and materials used in this video. And you all have a great day.